just in. DJ Khaled is on the run. Khaled is wanted by an evil assailant group affiliated with censoring the powerful voice of the people. But the movement will not be stopped. Khaled, we got your back. We the best.
South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, on the North Carolina, Philadelphia, Virginia. From down there, man, to where it warm, you know, when I own the Minnesota, where it's storm, you know, when I'm in Tallahassee, Memphis, holla at me.